Introduction to Saramoly product. Today, we're introducing the Saramoly Conditioner Cleaning Sterilizer Set, designed to keep your car's air conditioning system clean, fresh, and efficient, ensuring you enjoy a comfortable driving experience. However, do you know cooling coils are often damp due to condensation, and over time, this creates the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and even viruses. The problem is, the cooling coil is hidden deep inside the dashboard. To clean it the traditional way, the entire dashboard must be dismantled, which is extremely complicated and labor-intensive. Not only does this process take many hours, but it also carries risks. Improper removal can damage electrical wiring, airbag systems, or dashboard panels. After dismantling, technicians often prefer to replace the coil entirely instead of reinstalling it, because putting everything back together securely is just as complex and prone to errors. This makes traditional servicing both costly and inconvenient for car owners. Saramoly offers a smarter, safer solution with a special inspection device and a 3-step cleaning formula. Instead of dismantling the dashboard, our endoscopic tool allows direct access to the cooling coil for internal cleaning. Step 1. Deep cleaning. Effectively removes dirt, bacteria, and viruses. Step 2. Sterilizing and antibacterial protection. Slows down regrowth of harmful microorganisms. Step 3. Deodorizing and freshening. Eliminates unpleasant odors and leaves the cabin smelling clean. Our formula is safe for both your car and your health, made with cosmetic-grade ingredients that won't damage the cooling coil or irritate your skin. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it won't corrode the coil, ensuring longer AC life and fewer costly repairs. The process is simple. By removing the cabin filter or accessing through the blower, the endoscope tool is inserted to reach the cooling coil. The cleaning solution is sprayed directly onto the surface, carrying out the 3-step service in minutes, without dismantling or reinstalling the dashboard. We recommend carrying out this conditioner cleaning sterilizer service every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers or once a year to keep your car's air fresh, safe, and healthy. With the Saramoly Conditioner Cleaning Sterilizer Set not only improves driving comfort but also helps you stay alert and energized during your journeys.